Hey y'all, Ziv here. Welcome back. Today we're gonna watch Thor: Love and Thunder, the fourth installment in the Thor series of the Marvel Cinematic Universe (MCU). Uh, Taika Waititi is back directing this, and we also have Chris Hemsworth is back as Thor. We also know we have Jane Foster back. What is Jane Foster? I don't remember. Oh, no. Jane Foster is it's a well-known actress. Yeah, I can't believe I forgot. Natalie Portman, right? Natalie Portman is back. Oh, can't believe I forgot that. I think Sif is back in this still, and just my mind is blanking. So let's just watch the trailer and then it'll jog my memory. Yeah. Let's see.
Kids, get your popcorn now. Let me tell you the story of the space Viking, Thor Odinson.
Oh, Korg is
He
back.
was no ordinary
Okay.
man.
Well,
He was a
Taiko
god.
is what's his Thor Korg, so
After saving planet Earth
makes
for the
sense.
500th time, Thor set off on a new journey. Well, he got in shape. He went from dead bod to
The
pure
God Bod. Yeah.
And after all that, he reclaimed his title as the one and only Thor. Oh, spoke too soon.
Jane?
Oh, I like that helmet.
Girlfriend.
What's it been like? 3-4 years?
8 years, 7 months, and 6 days, give or take.
Yeah, he was counting.
Sensing feelings?
Tessa Thompson.
Well, you're right.
The only ones who gods care about is themselves.
Oh yeah, Christian Bale is in
My
this.
vow. All gods will die. I just want to say that was very, very impressive what you did back there.
He's just my first bad guy.
You never forget your first.
No, you don't.
You are not like the other gods of kill.
You have something worth fighting for.
Is that Nebula and Drax? Oh.
Let's see who you are and take off your disguise.
Oh, that's a girl.
Oh,
You flipped too hard, damn it!
Should we help him? And eventually, grape.
Okay, so that was Thor: Love and Thunder. It looks like on a similar vein to Thor Ragnarok. Taika's signature quirky, funny, interesting style is back. That's what it looks like from that, and it looks like it'll be another killer romp, and I can't wait. Even though not just about my direction or anything like that, but can't wait. Looking forward to it. I really enjoyed the previous one, Thor installment, so definitely looking forward to this one. And